you have there? An octopus, Nacho? An octopus? Luisi? A jellyfish. Very good, Elfie. Octopus. And Alfonso? Octopus. Crab. Very good. Mitchie, what do you have there?
A seahorse.
What's that?
A sailor went to sea.
An octopus. Very good. Tommy, what do you have there? An octopus. An octopus. A jellyfish. A dolphin. A dolphin. Very good, Clement. It's a dolphin. Excellent. Now, is the octopus big or small? Okay, it could be small. And the dolphin? Is it big or small? It's big. Very. Raul, what do you have there? An octopus. A shark. Very good. Emma, what's that? An octopus. Very good. Mia, what do you have there? A turtle. Very good. And what else? ¿Y qué más? A jellyfish. Very good. And you, Hero, what do you have there? A star. Very good. Eva, what's that? Very good. Giselle? An octopus. Juli, what is that? A jellyfish. Okay. Look, Maria, what's that? A fish. Buffy, what's that? Oak. What is that? Octopus. An octopus. Can you repeat that? Octopus. ¿Cómo se dice? Very good. Okay, Natito, what's that? A shark. Yes, that's a shark. And what are these? Starfish. Very good. Becca, what you have there? A jellyfish. Yes. Ele? An octopus? And a starfish? Yes? Yes, very good. Excellent. Rennie? An octopus. Caro? A starfish. Very good. Okay. Martin, what you have there? A starfish? Yes, very good. And? Oh, what's that? Octopus. An octopus. Very good. Wadi? It's a fish. Very good. Adi? A fish? What's it? It's a seahorse and a dolphin. Very good.
And a baby shark swimming, and an octopus swimming, and a turtle swimming, and a jelly.